guys, so welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys in Zara haul. Please excuse this makeup if you see it in either another video, because I believe the makeup to this look will be in a previous video, so if you haven't, please feel free to watch that video if you want to see more details to this look. But if you are ready for the clothing haul, stay tuned. I pretty much wanted to show y'all just a couple of items that I picked up today at Zara that I thought was cute, and I thought people would love to see, just like little pieces that I am adding into my wardrobe for this winter season. And let's go. The first piece I grabbed is like this, I guess this is cheetah. It's like a cheetah print shirt. It's honestly very relaxed. Like, I'm just was looking for like a lot of cozy, relaxing pieces, just things that'll kind of pair nice. Like, let's say if I just want to lounge around, I could put on some leggings, or if I want to dress it up, I could put on some jeans and some heels, and you know, you can take it from more casual to like more glam. So the first piece is this shirt, and this shirt was like $19.90. I did get a size medium because, like I said, I did want it more relaxed and more casual, so I got a size medium. Sorry, I don't know what that was. Okay, the next thing I bought was this hat. So I bought like this beanie. I'm gonna try it on. I probably will like wear it kind of like this. It's a look. I mean, I love beanies like this, especially let's say it's a day that I don't want to do my hair, I just want to be hella chill. I could do the beanie, and it looks super cute with the makeup. So you can honestly dress this up, dress it down, or you can wear it, oh, messing up my hair, or you can wear it honestly like a traditional beanie and just wear it like so. Super cute, super like just chill, and I think it's cute. I like the beanie. The beanie was $19.90 as well. $20. A lot of stuff was $20, yeah. And I'm driving the shit. All right, let me fix my hair from the beanie. But okay, moving forward, the next piece was this shirt. But I think I'm gonna wear it as like a dress with like some black leggings and some boots. It's gonna be super cute. It looks like this. I love this piece. I'm sorry I could not leave it behind, and this runs very oversized, so I got mine in it's small, and this is also $19.90. All right, so the next piece I got was, I guess you could say, semi more pricier. It is a sweatsuit, so it looks like this. This is the hoodie, and this is the bottom. I will link, like, let's say if I wear any of the outfits, I will link it, take a picture, and like put the link below so you guys can check out the outfits and just see how it looks on. Just because honestly, I'm not gonna try on anything. It's like literally 2:30 in the morning right now, so I'm not trying anything on. But these are the pants. The pants look like this, and both the top and the pants was $39.90, so 40 and 40, so it's about $80. I got them both in a size medium. I typically wear like a medium. Anything I buy is usually, if it's like small, medium, large, I usually always wear a medium unless it's cut super small, but these should fit me pretty well, so I got the medium. The next thing I got was some pants. I got these sweatpants for my son. It's just like casual sweatpants. I felt like he needed more like bottoms, and the sweatpants, I don't know what the price is. I think it's on the shirt. I think it was like sweatpants on a shirt came together. So those are the sweatpants, actually on sale. So this is just like the shirt. Together it was supposed to be $40 or $35, and I got it for like $13. So that was a steal. And then the last two things I got was two beanies for the kids. So I have this blue hat, and this was $9.90. And then I got this gray one, and the gray one was also $9.90. And that's pretty much it. That is my quick Zara haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what other videos you want to see. Let me know what you want to see, what you guys are feeling, what you like, what you don't like. And until then, see you next time. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is always linked on my page. It's always linked in, I think it's gonna be linked after this in the outro, but it's Maisha Chanel. So anything you want to ever follow me on, it's always Maisha Chanel. So until then, see you next time, my loves.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I got